In this video, I will show you how to use Otter AI. This is the home dashboard of Otter AI. You have the quick look of your notes, the calendar, and your meeting schedules. You can create your team and can start collaborations for more productivity. To do this, upgrade to Otter Business. Otter AI also offers AI chat. Under my conversation dashboard are your notes from your different meetings that you can also share, export, move, and delete. Your notes here can be summarized and transcribed. Otter AI offers extension apps. Here, you can import audio and video. You can record your meeting and Otter AI will record it for you. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!